Hello, good morning! We are live now. Sa mga attendees dito, warm welcome sa inyong lahat. Good morning po ulit kasi business starts in the morning. Pero kung may automated online business ka, anytime good morning sa inyo kasi you run your business 24/7. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Kahit natutulog ka, your business is open. Kahit nagbabakasyon ka, somebody is selling for you. Maganda pag ganun ang system marketing strategy mo, di ba? Automated na. Anyway, I congratulate you na naka-attend ka sa first step of personal finance which is building your future webinar. By the way, my name is George Hardelesa. I am an OFW. Nakatulad nyo, nangarap din ako ng financial freedom. From the start pa lang, mahilig na talaga ako mag-save. Kahit nung bata pa ako. Ayoko na nawawalan ng pera na backup kahit na anong mangyari. Pero nung nakapagtrabaho ako, kahit may ipon ako sa bangko, kasi halos lahat ng sweldo ko na iipon ko kasi binata naman ako. Halos lang po hindi naman lahat na iipon ko. Pero ang realization ko, kahit ipon ako ng ipon, di naman lumalago ang pera ko. Kahit sa mahabang panahon. Mas lalo na di sapat ang ipon sa bangko na pambili ng pangarap ko. Kaya nung time na na-introduce sa akin ang concept ng investment, doon ako nagka-interest. Pero skeptic ako kasi baka bogus lang ito o lalo na scam pa. Pero I attended the presentation. Since na-related naman sa interest ko, tsaka regarding sa saving, tsaka free pa. Walang bayad. Kaya nagustuhan ko. Until in-apply ko ng pakonti-konti hanggang maging habit ko na din ito. Kaya for you mga guests natin, and attendees, listen carefully. At this point, this concept maybe can change your life. So without further ado, let's start now. Ano po ba ang matututunan natin dito? You will discover, number 1, the challenges threatening your financial future. Ano ba yung mga bagay na makakapagbigay ng mga balakid sa future natin? Second is how to make money work for you. Hindi yung tayo na lang palagi nagtatrabaho sa pera. So yung pera dapat naman na magtrabaho para sa atin. Hindi yan napapagod. How to build a solid financial foundation. Ito yung blueprint ng financial future natin. Parang blueprint ng paggawa ng bahay, ito naman yung susundan natin. Okay, how to become your own money manager. So paano ka magiging financially expert of your own? So ikaw na ikaw na ang magmamanage ng pera mo. Last is the various benefits and privileges na makukuha mo dito. Okay, so let's start now. So welcome to Building Your Future Membership Orientation. IMG, where innovation meets inspiration. The IMG Global Campaign for Financial Literacy. So I emphasize dito yung families to become financially educated by 2020. Ilan ang statistics? 1 million ang target. And also, we are very happy na maging part ka dito. Fast-changing world. People need to know the new solutions for a fast-changing world. The rule of money is changing. Deposit interest ito yung table ng deposit interest from 1976 to 2010. Makikita nyo sa table na to, from 1976, nag-a-average siya ng sabihin natin 8% saving deposit interest rate. So mataas pa 1976. Then suddenly noong 1984, tumaas siya ng husto, maybe 21% to. So 1987 bumagsak siya mga 8% ulit. Then 1990 tumaas ulit ng mga 19%. So, habang tumatagal hanggang ngayon, ang trend ng deposit interest ay pababa na ng pababa. Hanggang ngayon. So, hanggang ngayon, magkano na lang deposit interest sa bangko? Nasa less than 1% na. So, the rule of money is changing. Kaya dapat natin gawin, hindi na natin pwedeng gawin yung financial strategy natin 30 years ago, hindi na applicable ngayon. So people live longer today. Filipino life expectancy ng 2014 sa men age 69. So women 75. So average age is 72. So bakit kaya yung mga babae ang may mas mahabang buhay? Maybe sa lifestyle. So advancement and evolution. In the past 20 years, many new industries were created and evolved to provide solutions to a changing world. Ano ba to? Dati, typewriter lang gamit, ngayon may laptop na. So dati, negative film pa ang gamit, so ngayon DSLR na. Gamitan mo lang ng memory card yan, okay na sa picture nyo. Dati, sobre pang ginagamit for communication, ngayon may electronic mail na. So, paborito natin dati, Coca-Cola tsaka Pepsi. Mga soft drinks na yan. So, ngayon, social daw, Starbucks coffee. So, dati pa, may degree ka, good job, you work hard, you can save, okay na ang buhay. Pero ngayon, same pa rin naman. You have a degree, may good job, you work hard also, you save. Ang tanong, bakit baon sa utang? Everything is changing except our financial strategy. So, a challenging future, ito na. A large number of Filipinos will face increasing challenges in 4 major areas. Number 1 is uncertain labor market. Automation and powerful software continue to replace more and more workers. Manufacturing jobs are moving overseas to cut costs. One example na lang, yung dahil sa automation, pagpunta mo sa bangko, di ba, dati 4 na teller, 5 teller, ngayon 2 na lang. Bakit? Kasi nag-cut cost sila dahil automated na. Hindi na masyadong kailangan ng labor. Okay, so paghandaan natin tong challenging future na to. Number 2 is low savings and high debt. Have a major impact on retirement. So just imagine mo, nag-iisip ka ba ng retirement mo tapos low savings ka tapos mataas ang utang. So paano mangyayari mag-retire ka ng maginhawa? So many people may have to work beyond 65 years of age to survive. So ganun ang gagawin mo lang. Hindi enough ang savings mo for retirement, so kailangan mo magtrabaho pa to survive. Third is the high cost of education. Alam naman natin na every year nagtataas, nagdodoble halos ang tuition fee increase, so wala tayong ginagawa, hindi natin pinaghahandaan. So, lack of preparation for college will hurt the younger generation. So, hindi naman pwede natin sabihin sa anak natin na, anak, huwag ka na muna mag-aral. Pwede naman, pero babalikan nila tayo. Sisisihin nila tayo dahil hindi natin sila pinag-aral. So, paghandaan natin yung cost of education na yon. So, number 4 is increasing cost of living. Tama, ito yung tinatawag nating inflation rate. Increasing cost of living make many people have difficulty in saving money for their future needs. And when the need arises, tulad ng emergency repair, illness, tuition, etc., their only option is debt. So, dahil wala silang emergency fund or backup na pera, so ang pupunta nila utang na rin. So, saka sa increasing cost of living, yung, for example na lang, yung galunggong ngayon, worth sabihin na natin 10 pesos per kilo. After 10 years, galunggong pa rin siya, pero mas mahal na yung presyo, doble o triple pa. Dahil sa inflation rate or increasing cost of living. Living in one of the wealthiest countries in the world like the US, many people may still retire poor. Sa US na yan lalo na sa Pilipinas. So control your future. Your future is not in the hands of your employer, your union, or your government. It is neither in the hands of your bank nor your broker. Sino magkocontrol ng future natin? The future is in your hands. So you make money. I assume na lahat tayo naggumagawa na ng pera. So nagtatrabaho tayo to make money, right? So ang gagawin naman natin, how to save money. So mga hindi pa marunong mag-save money, aralin nyo lang lahat ng mga tinuturo natin. So you have to save money. After saving money, dapat i-accumulate money. Palaguin natin yung pera natin. Dapat yung pera rin na nagtatrabaho sa atin while we are making for money. So while accumulating money, dapat we protect money. Hindi yung you save and you invest, pagkatapos ng isang major accident or hospitalization, wala kang protection ng money mo. So, ang kinuha mong panggastos yung savings or investment mo. So, you have to protect your money. So, be your own money manager. Understand how money works. Make money work for you. So, kailangan natin maging financially expert of our own para magawan natin na maayos yung financial blueprint natin. So, you can build up a strong financial foundation. Ito yung blueprint natin, parang blueprint ng bahay natin. So, sa bahay na paggawa ng bahay, anong inuuna? Bubong ba o yung pundasyon? Siyempre, yung pundasyon, di ba? Ganon din sa financial foundation natin. Ang uunahin natin, yung proper protection on life, health, and disability. Hindi yung dahil uso, sikat yung savings or investment, uunahin natin yon. Dahil naririnig mo sa ka-office mate mo, ang ganda ng stock market, mataas ang stock market. So, inuuna natin to. Pinapabayaan natin tong proper protection on life, health, and disability. So, which is mali. Dapat yung unahin ng savings or investment. So, unahin natin ay proper protection. Okay? So, a new world of possibilities, the era of informed consumer. So, from do-it-yourself, usong-uso na ngayon yan, do-it-yourself. From home improvement to self-booking travel, shopping on eBay and Amazon, and being a member of Costco or SNR membership, more people are learning how to get better deals and save more money on products and services. Diba, pag makikita mo, pupunta ka sa mall, tulad ng sa SM, meron kang SM Advantage. So, diba, may mga membership din sa mga ibang supermarket or groceries or store na pwede ka makasave. So, yung savings na yon, mga discount yon. So, pag may discount ka, so malaking bagay na yun to save money. Okay? So, do it yourself na rin tayo. IMG is a new concept in the financial industry. Concept to. So, that assists people who want to help themselves in building their financial foundation. Basically, we are teaching financial concept para ma-build nyo yung financial foundation nyo. Thousands and thousands of people from all walks of life across the globe have benefited from International Marketing Group's platform to get educated on all aspects of personal finance. So, tuturuan namin kayo dito paano mag-handle ng personal finance nyo. So, have access to hundreds of financial products and services. So, pwede kayong magkaroon ng access sa mga financial products and services. Since IMG is also financial brokerage, meron mga products and services dito na pwede nyo ma-access ng discounted tsaka mura pa. So, you will receive also training and support to manage your money. Hindi ka papabayaan lang dito na first time mo na matuto mag-aral, basta after ng first presentation, wala na. So, hindi. Step by step, tuturuan kayo, personal coaching, hanggang ma-manage nyo ng sarili yung pera niya. Okay, and save money on various products and services. Pwede ka makasave dito when availing on various products and services. Tulad ng sinasabi natin kanina, do-it-yourself sa membership ng mga companies. Ganun dito, if you become a member, magkakaroon ka ng discount sa kada bili ng mga products and services. So, earn commission by sharing their know-how with customer in this fast-growing industry. So, if you want to build a business in financial industry, meron din tayo. You can earn commission by sharing this concept only. You can learn and earn in the financial industry. So, do it yourself. The best person to tell you what's best for you is yourself. Just find the right company that has the right platform. Dito tayo. If you want to do it yourself, get educated on how money works. So this is the X-curve concept, wealth versus responsibility. Sa higher series, pwede natin pahabain to. Very simple lang ang paliwanag natin dito. X-curve concepts, this is the story of your financial life. Dito makikita natin yung arrow pataas, yung green, or yung orange pababa. So, yung arrow pataas, this is the law of building wealth. Yung orange pababa, this is the law of decreasing responsibility. So, ang rule lang dito, over the time, dapat yung wealth natin, pinapalaki natin. So, on or before you retire, dapat malaki to. Automatically, pag lumalaki yan, yung responsibility mo, bumababa din yan. So, every peso you save is the reduction of your responsibility. Dito sa side na to, since na mga 20s or 30s ka, you're young, you're earning money to sustain for your family. So, generally, less secure tayo kasi wala kang savings. Halos gastos lang lahat. So, dapat over the time, matuto tayo mag-manage ng personal finance natin, mag-save or mag-invest. The same time, protektahan natin ang family tsaka income. So, you build your wealth. If you're building your wealth, so automatically, you decrease your responsibility. Then, on or before you retire, so malaki na yung wealth mo, you will take care of yourself. Generally, more secure ka na kasi wala ka ng responsibility. Pababa na. Okay? So, the 10-20 rule. You may need at least 10 times your income to properly protect your family. Annual income times 10. Ito yung formula natin. Sa example natin is 300,000 yung annual income natin. So, times 10 equals 3 million. So, i-multiply mo lang yung annual income mo times 10 equals 3 million. Yan dapat ang protection for your family. Okay, bakit? Kasi dyan ka nabubuhay sa 300,000. Buhay ka, buhay rin ang family mo. So, pag anytime na mawala ang breadwinner, may 3 million ka. So, paano pag nawala ang breadwinner? Pag nawala ang breadwinner, just invest na yung 3 million sa any vehicle na nag-earn ng 10%. So, 10% of 3 million equals 300,000. So, ang tawag natin dyan ay income replacement. Kahit wala na yung breadwinner, kumikita pa rin siya. Okay? Hindi mahihirapan ng family na iwan. Hindi yung iiyak ang family. You may need at least 20 times your income to have enough for retirement to offset inflation. So, pag naman retirement ang pag-uusapan natin, ang formula natin is times 20. Bakit? Kasi para malabanan natin yung inflation rate, yung pagtaas ng mga bilihin. Kasi hindi kasama dito. So, yung retirement times 20. So, 300,000 times 20 equals 6 million. Invested in 10%, so 6 million, 10% of 6 million equals 600,000. So, you spend 300,000 only, the balance to offset inflation. What do the wealthy know that normal people don't? Do you know how money works? So, ito yung sabi ni Albert Einstein. So, rule of 72. Take the number 72 and divide it by the annual rate of interest that your money is earning to determine the number of years it will take for your money to double. So, ito yung compounding interest. So, paano mag-work ito? So, sabi natin, yung 72, divide natin sa interest rate, it will give us the number of years to double. Approximately, the money will double. Okay, sa example natin nito, so sa age 29, I suppose lahat tayo dito. Okay, sa age 29 mag-save tayo. Nag-save ka sa, sabihin natin, hindi ko sasabihin sa bangko. Okay, sabihin natin sa bangko time deposit, binigyan ka ng 4%, so 100,000. So sabi natin dito, according to sa rule of 72, 72 divided by 4% interest equals 18. So, every 18 years, to double yung pera natin. So, 29 plus 18, 47, 100,000, naging 200,000. 47 plus 18, 65, 200,000, naging 400,000. So, dito naman, pagtalikod mo sa bangko, hindi tayo galit sa bangko. In-invest naman ng bangko sa higher interest rate. So, sabihin natin 12%. So, 72 divided by 12 equals 6. Every 6 years, double yung pera mo. So, same age pa rin kasi same age din yung nag-save ka sa bangko. So, 100,000, 29 plus 6, 35, 35 plus 6, 41, 41 plus 6, 47, 100,000, 800,000, 59, 65, 6. Yung 100,000 Pagdating ng 65 years, naging 6.4 million. So the difference between 4% versus 12% is 6 million. 6 million ang difference nito. This is equivalent to 20 years salary of a person who works at salary of 300,000 per year. Tulad ng example na binigay natin kanina, or 25,000 per month. So 6 million, anong tawag ng bangko sa 6 million? Profit or gain. Babalik ng bangko yung 400,000 sa'yo kasi yan naman ang yan naman ang time deposit na contract mo sa kanila. So sayang yung 6 million, di ba? So realization, kanino yung 6 million na kinita ng bangko? So syempre sa'yo. So dapat alamin mo lang kung saan nag-i-invest ng bangko. Alright, do you know about savings and investments? Do you know how mutual funds work? Do you realize that the interest in savings account is currently too low to offset inflation and taxes? Just imagine mo magkano yung regular savings account. Interest lang sa bangko, less than 1%. So magkano ang tax? Di ba ang laki? So paano mo malalabanan ang tax? That you are most likely losing money every day. So people will face the problem of living a long life without adequate income. With understanding of and proper preparation, you can build up your future retirement. Do you know about life insurance? Do you know the difference between term life, whole life, universal life, variable life, index life, kung ano pang life? Yan. Same pa rin yan. Same pa rin tawag nila, different name lang. Okay, so paano nyo ba malalaman yon? Murang premium na, mura lang binayan, pero napakalaki ng coverage mo. O yung binili mo naman napakamahal, napakalaki ng binayaran mo, pero napakaliit ng coverage mo. So paano mo matututunan yan? How group insurance in your workplace works. Ito yung group insurance na provided lang sa company. The DIME method to calculate your insurance protection need. Are you properly insured or underinsured? 1 in 2 men and 1 in 3 women will have the risk of developing cancer during their lifetime. Also, 80 million Americans have one or more type of heart disease. It's even worse in the Philippines. Paano na nga pala sa Pilipinas? Na hindi naman natural or habit na nag-iipon o nagkakaroon ng protection for your life or for your healthcare. Also, tax advantages of tax-free death benefit. Kala natin pag nawala na tayo sa picture, libre na tayo sa tax. May tax pa rin tayo. So, are you insurable or insurable? Are you the type of person who buys insurance but puts the policy in the cabinet and never looks at it? So, binenta ka lang ng ahente. After that, nilagay mo lang sa cabinet. Then, after that, wala na. Hindi mo na tinignan kung ano yung laman na. You can learn how to properly protect your family. Do you know about long-term care? What if you live too long? Diba? Naisipan natin yan. Pag humaba ang buhay natin kasi hindi tayo kinuha ni Lord pa. Do you know the lifetime income option of a long-term care can provide you with income as long as you live? Long-term care to provide your health care when you retire, when you stop working. Someone to take care of you when you get old. Hindi pagkakaiba ng long term sa short term. Long term po ito ha. How comfortable your healthcare situation after age 60 depends on the decision you make today. Do you expect the government or children to take care of you if you live too long? So sa Pilipinas kasi, ang magandang investment daw yung anak natin. Kasi pagdating ng panahon, dahil pinag-aral mo ng gusto, graduate, nagkatrabaho, investment mo yan para alagaan ka nila. So do you expect that? Your children to take care of you? So kayo makakasagot niyan. You can prepare for your golden years. Do you know about the high cost of education? Most parents don't prepare their children's college educational funds. Hinahayaan lang nila darating yan. Na hanggang tumaas ng tumaas, magre-reklamo. So many would prefer not to think about it at all, hoping that things will somehow work out. Along the way, sabihin natin, nako, magagawa ng paraan din yung college education na yan. We can't put so much time and money into raising our kids and then become unwilling to look into college planning. Take charge of your children's future. Protect your future. Do you know without proper planning, your assets and family may not be protected? Who will care for your underage children? Sino mag-aalaga sa mga anak mo pang musmus pa lang pag nawala ka sa picture? How will you keep an 18-year-old from spending his or her inheritance? O yung mga minana nila, gagastusin ba agad yan? Uubusin agad yan? O paano mo gagawin yan na i-manage pa rin kahit wala ka na? Who gets your home? Paano mo i-distribute yung mga asset mo, yung mga properties mo? Who inherits all of your bank accounts? Can you avoid family arguments over your belongings and keepsake? Dito marami nagtatalo, umaabot pa ng court. So who will operate and own your business? So kailangan nating iayusin niya. Who decides your healthcare or end-of-life decisions? Do you have a will? So dun sa will natin, ipoprovide natin yan. Okay, it's good to have your wishes documented so they can be carried out. Sa estate planning, malalaman natin to. Do you know about debt management? If you cannot control your debt, your income will become useless. Ito. If you cannot control your debt, debt will control you. O ganito na yung rat race cycle mangyayari. Income ka, bayad ka ng mga expenses or bills, suddenly, before end of the month, wala ka ng pera, so utang ka ulit to survive for the remaining days. So, balik ka na naman sa katapusan, trabaho, yun ang rat race. So, paano natin makokontrol yung utang? How to get out of debt? What is more scary, investment or debt? Nako, sa tingin ko pa lang, investment na, sabihin scam to. Pag sa utang, nako, normal to. Saan ba makakautang agad? What's your strategy to pay off your debt? Create a definite plan to pay off your debt. Do you know how to increase your cash flow? If you rely on your present income and savings capability, where can you see yourself 10 to 20 years from now? Okay, isipin mo, 10 to 20 years from now, pag nag-rely ka lang dyan sa present income mo. Isipin mo na lang, makakapag-retire ka ba ng maayos? O still magtatrabaho ka pa rin? What would your retirement look like? Why do most people cannot increase their cash flow? Know the different ways how to increase your cash flow. Are you a saver or spender? Naku, malalaman na natin dito. Spender. Sodas, 20 pesos per can. Coffee shop naman, 140 pesos per cup. May branded yan ha. Dine outside, 1,000 pesos. Lunch at office, kasi social ka, gusto mo makisabay sa ka-office mate mo, doon ka na sa opisina nyo kakain. Brand shirt, 3,500. So, kailangan maganda talaga to. May tatak na buhaya. So, saver naman. Instead of sodas, water, 0. Ang laki ng tipid mo. So, sa coffee naman, 3-in-1 coffee na lang, 10 pesos per cup. Dine home, pwede ka naman sa outside kumain. Pwede ka naman kumain outside, pero dun sa labas lang ng bahay nyo. 200 pesos lang, di ba? At least, kasama pa family mo. Pack lunch naman, instead of lunch at office. 50 pesos lang. No brand shirt, pero comfortable ka, 300 pesos. So, tingnan natin kung magkano yung monthly savings. So, sodas, so 20 times 30 days kasi, nakatipid ka ng 600 pesos. Sa coffee, may 2,600 ka. Sa dine outside, since na 200 lang, may nakatipid ka ng 3,200. 4 na beses. So, pack lunch, 150 minus 50, 100 pesos. 20 days yun ha. Naka-save ka ng 2,000. So, t-shirt naman, 3,500 minus 300 versus 300. 3,200, wala na, 3,200, nakatipid ka. Isang beses lang naman, isang buwan. So, tingnan natin kung saan tayo makakarating na natipid natin sa sodas na 600 pesos. So, tingnan natin. So, yung 600 pesos, you save it at 12% investment earning 12% every year, ha? Approximately 12%. After 35 years, yung 600 pesos mo earning 3.4 million. Just imagine that. 600 pesos lang yan. After 35 years, 12%, 3.4 million. So, anong gusto mo? 3.4 million o soft drinks na makukuha mong diabetes ka? So, 3.4 million ka na lang. So, sa coffee naman, since nakatipid ka, ayaw mo maging social. So, 10 pesos per cup. Just imagine mo yung 2.6 mo after 35 years at 12% investment, nasa 15 million. Just imagine mo, 15 million. Anong gusto mo, 15 million o mahal na kape? Okay? Are you spender? Are you a spender or saver? Loss or gain? So, kung sabihin na natin, imagine, saan ako kukuha ng pang-save? So, ganyan ang problema natin. So, change your money mindset. All is in the mindset. Change your money mindset. Small change is big money. One of the greatest discoveries of the 20th century is that you can change your life by changing the way you think. Create a money machine. You can start with what you have now. How IMG can help you? We can help you if you want to help yourself. We don't go after people to become our client, ha? Pag gusto mo lang magpatulong, tsaka matutulungan ka namin. Tsaka hindi kami maghahabol sa inyo. Okay? We educate and we help people become their own money manager and take control of their future. So after namin maturuan kayo, so you can manage your own money now. So the power of execution. What you know is useless without execution. Sabi nga ni Ernie Baron, knowledge is power. So knowledge is powerless without execution. So kailangan nating gawin. Kailangan nating i-act. If you want to be wealthy, don't let other people do it for you. Do it yourself. Sino ba yung taong sabihin magsisave para sa'yo? Wala naman, di ba? Walang magsisave na ibang tao para sa'yo. So do it yourself. If you want to take control of your money, don't let other people control your money. Do it yourself. If you want to control of your future, don't let other people take control of your future. So do it yourself pa rin. Wala nang iba. Do it yourself in the right platform. Do it with IMG. Do it with the right environment. Sa mga environment na nag-iipon. Take advantage of the IMG benefits. IMG Advantage, 10 membership benefits. 1 to 10 is Financial Education Workshop. Ano ba itong Financial Education Workshop? Become an IMG member. Benefits of being a member. Ito yon, Financial Foundation Education Workshop. Matutunan mo dito increase cash flow, debt management, building a strong financial foundation, building wealth, asset accumulation, retirement planning, wealth preservation, building a business in the financial industry. So, kailangan mo din to. Matututunan mo doon to. So, Financial Foundation Educational Program. So, kailangan mo na lang workbook dito. Then, Wealth Academy Training Series, 30 modules. Advanced Training, Partners Training, etc. Dito lahat yung financial education. Alright? So, second is customized financial checkup and financial needs analysis. So, ano ba to? So, sa financial checkup, tulad ng doktor, di ba may medical checkup? So, mayroon sa atin financial checkup. Gagamutin natin sakit ng bulsa mo. When was the last time you have your financial checkup? So, dito mo matututunan yan. Third, access to major real estate companies. Ano ba yung access na to? Ito ang mga real estate companies natin. Ayala, Land, SMDC, Vistal, and DMCI. So, if you want to buy your own house and lot or condo, may access ka rin dito. Discounted din. Okay? So, fourth is asset preservation services. Dito yung asset preservation, gagawin yung estate planning. Sila na ang bahala kung paggawa ng will from legal documents, yung mga inheritance mo na designate mo kung kanino, sila na. So, dito natin gagawin yan. So, save money on car, home, etc. insurances. So, yung mga non-life insurances, ito yon. Okay? Kung gusto mo ng car insurance, home, business travel insurance, andito na lahat. You can save money also. So, sixth is access to healthcare products and services. So, access to healthcare products and services, meron tayong Kaiser. So, dito yung gagawin natin yung blueprint. So, unahin natin ang Kaiser kasi may proper protection on life, health, and disability. At the same time, meron na rin siyang investment. So, yung tinatawag natin 3-in-1 dito. Number 7 is access to investment. So, ito yung bibigyan natin ng solution na what if I live too long? So, kung gusto mo mag-retire ng maginhawa, you have enough retirement fund, dito natin palaguin ng gusto yung pera. Okay? Ito yung mga, kung gustong, at saka pala zero load forever to ha. Ibig sabihin, wala na mga charges saka fees. Yan ang promise sa atin. So, wala, talagang sulit na sulit. Number 8 is access to cheaper life insurance. So, kung gusto mong protektahan ang family mo or income mo, so, dito lang sa cheaper insurance natin. So, exclusive only for member ng IMG. For example na lang, sa age natin 30, the coverage of 1 million plus ADDD plus TIB, yung accident, death, dismemberment, and disability plus terminal illness benefit, ang premium mo lang na babayaran every year is 3,230 for 1 million coverage. So, saan ka pa? Wala nag-o-offer sa labas ng ganito kamura. Kung gusto mo ng 1 million coverage, approximately siguro mga 15,000 or 25,000. Kahit 35 years old ka, 3,500. So, mura pa rin. Next is, number 9 is build a business in the financial industry. So, since, kunyari, pwede ka rin magkaroon ng business mo dito bilang broker-dealer o business partner dito sa IMG. So, for example na lang dito sa position ng SMD Commission. So, sa long-term healthcare at 30,000 annual premium, yan, may nag-save or bumili ng long-term healthcare, 30,000 annual premium niya, per account is 15,000 your commission. So, 48 yung bumili or nag-save sa isang taon. So, 15,000 times 48, it's 720,000 per year. So, just imagine yan, 15,000. So, 1 unit condo worth 2 million. So, may bumili, 50,000, isa lang naman, syempre. So, commission mo, isang taon, mukhang tamad to, isang taon lang. Isang condo per year. So, 50,000 ng commission mo. So, business insurance, 3,000. Car insurance, just imagine mo, bibili ka ng comprehensive car insurance mo, 30,000, commission, 4,000. So, kung bibili ka pa sa labas ng ahente, yung 4,000 pupunta sa kanila yan. So, since na partner ka o member ka ng IMG, yung 4,000 babalik sa'yo. Okay? Ang ganda, di ba? You can save and you can have commission also. Ito yung tinatawag na one-stop shop. Bili ka sa sarili mong tindahan. So, fire insurance, 1,000. Meron ka rin, 10,000. Premium most at 10,000 per year na premiums, 1,400. So, ito total natin lahat to per account is 101,400. So, per year is 976,700. So, you can build a business in financial industry. Okay ba? Okay na okay. So, number 10 is bonus privileges. World trips. Ano ba yung mga bonus na to? So, if you can qualify sa mga run ay mga binibigay na promotion ng company, you can qualify dito. IMG has the best platform to travel the world for free. Kung gusto mo pumunta ng US, umattend ng convention doon for free, qualify ka lang. Life is short. Let's see the world. Okay? So, ito yung blueprint natin. Pakita ko ulit sa inyo. Proper protection. Manage debt. Meron ba tayo dyan? Sa proper protection ng life, health, and disabilities, from 1 to 10, sa tingin nyo meron dito? Alright, meron dito. Kasi yung proper protection ng life can give you dun sa access to cheaper life insurance, which is ranging from 3,000, 1 million coverage, di ba? On health, meron tayo sa health kasi nandito yung access to healthcare. Sa disability, ganun din. Life insurance at healthcare. Then manage debt, reduce liability, meron din dito. Yung customized financial needs analysis natin, financial education, ituturo sa atin paano mawala yung utang tsaka reduce liability. Okay, third, have an emergency fund. Pwede din dito. Build savings investment. Sa tingin nyo, lahat ba nito meron dito sa 1 to 10? Meron lahat. Yan, meron. So, yung blueprint natin sa pag-build ng financial foundation, nandito na lahat. So, saan pa? It's a win-win situation talaga. So, okay, with all of these benefits, how can you go wrong if you become a member of IMG? Start to build a strong financial foundation, investment, pay off debt, life insurance, healthcare fund. So you have to increase your cash flow. Then, step by step, gawin natin yung financial foundation. Okay, the IMG culture. You make money, syempre. Then you save money. Then after that, you grow money. Then you have to protect your money. We build a strong financial foundation. So access to major providers, you, as a member, you can have access on healthcare, life insurance, investment, real estate, general insurance, allied financial services. So lahat yan nire-represent mo. Okay, this is your one-stop shop. Yan ang sarili mong tindahan. Kaya bumili ka sa sarili mong tindahan. So, sa tingin mo, gumagamit ka ba, kung may kotse ka, gumagamit ka ba ng motor insurance, fire insurance? So, this is your needs. Kaya, dito ka na sa sarili mong tindahan. Alright, gumagamit ka ng healthcare, meron tayo dito. Lahat na. Gumagamit investment, meron dito. So, you want to buy house and lot, ang condo na sa real estate meron dyan. So this is your one-stop shop. You can build a strong financial foundation more effectively through your one-stop shop access to major providers. So ito yung financial foundation mo, yung blueprint mo. Ito yung application natin. So hindi lang tayo financial concept na lang. So maganda yung tinuturo. So paano natin i-apply? So this is the application now. Okay? So become a partner. Do IMG business by taking part in our financial education campaign if you want to take full advantage of the IMG benefits. So requirement lang, practice what you preach. Ito lang yung kailangan natin. Kung ano yung ginagawa mo, kung ano yung tinuturo mo, gawin mo lang. Okay? Walk the talk. Benefits of being a partner. How much do you think will it cost you to access the 10 IMG membership benefits to build your financial foundation faster? So magkano kaya sa tingin mo ang cost nun lahat? Nung 1 to 10 na privilege mo bilang membership benefits mo. So how much it cost? 30,000? Pwede talaga kasi ang laki. From 30 modules na yon, you will become financially expert of your own. 30,000, tama-tama lang yun. Just imagine mo magkano yung one day financial seminar lang ng mga kilalang coaches. So, nagre-range yung 20,000, lalo na pag summit, nagre-range ng mga ganong kalaking pera. 15 to 20,000, something like that. So, 30,000 hindi itong cost mo being a partner. 20,000, sabi ko nga, yung 20,000 na yan talagang pwedeng-pwede ang cost niya, pero hindi yan ang babayaran mo. So, 10,000, kung talagang willing kang matuto talaga, 10,000 di pa rin. So, 5,000, pwede na talaga to. Sa 5,000, pero kung action taker ka, bibigyan ka nito ng 3,700. One time and lifetime fee. Okay? Lifetime to Wala tong requirements kung ano-ano. Wala kang i-maintain. Just one time lifetime fee yan. Okay? Own savings plan. Yun lang kailangan mo. You pay only 3,700 for one time and lifetime fee. Tsaka own savings plan. Yun, sinabi na nga natin, di ba? Practice what you preach. So, magtuturo ka mag-ipon pero wala ka namang ipon. So, kailangan mo mag-save also. So, begin with IMG. Your next step, have your financial check-up. Kausapin mo yung taong nag-invite sa'yo or nag-share sa'yo ng concept na to. So, kailangan mo magkaroon ng financial check-up. Attend the financial education workshops and obtain a copy of Financial Foundation Workbook. Kailangan mo tong workbook na to. Okay, knowledge is wealth. You won't be wealthy unless you understand how money works. If you're born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake. Hindi ako may sabi niyan, kundi si Bill Gates. Okay, build your future sa IMG. The right environment and the right information. Thank you for attending this webinar. For more information regarding the financial management lectures, please contact me, George Hardilesa, or the person invited you, the person shared with you. Okay? This is my number, and you can visit also. You can email me sa admin@georgehardilesa.com. My website is georgehardilesa.com. Okay, you can visit the corporate website ng IMG, img-corp.com. Okay, thank you very much. So long, thank you for attending this webinar. At siguraduhin nyo maka-attend kayo dun sa personal financial checkup. Okay, thank you and good morning again. See you on the next webinar.